Hey guys, it's me Sabrina from Online Help Guide, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok if it's not working or loading. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's jump in. I'm on TikTok right now. First, make sure you have stable internet connection. Now, the second step is tap on the profile option which is at the bottom right of your screen. This will lead to your profile page. And then select the hamburger menu which is at the top right of your screen. Select Settings and Privacy option. Now scroll down to the bottom of your screen and then select Free Up Space option. Now tap on the Clear option which is right beside Cache option. And then tap on Clear option once again. And this is how you can fix TikTok not working or loading. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.